Okay, sit down. It's okay. You don't have to. Now, let's see. What do we have? Are you excited? We can't tell that we opened the present early, okay? I've got, this one is for Gavin. Hold on. This one is for Delilah. And Monkey, here. This one's for you.
Can we open them?
You can open them. Open them up. Let's see what they got, huh?
Yeah, let's see what they got.
Open it, Monkey. Help Monkey, Quentin. You want to help Monkey?
I'll help you, Monkey.
What is it, Gavin?
Oh, candle.
A candle? What's the matter? You didn't ask for a book? What is it?
I know it is.
A men's fitness magazine? What'd you get, Monkey? A shoe? You got a shoe. Oh, you want to put it back?
I'm baking. And he got a candle.
Yay! Oh, you wanted a diamond? Maybe Santa didn't have enough money to get you a diamond. Oh, look, Monkey's trying to put on his shoe. What's the matter with you, Gavin? You don't like your candle?
I know what that's from.
It's just a joke, Lala. You're going to get more presents and you'll get pretty stuff, okay? Come back!